Hi, today I'm going to share 3-step formula to wealth accumulation. Number 1 is income generation. Now 90% or 95% of the people stick to only one source of income. Either they are doing a job, or they are having a business, or they are a freelancer. I will suggest that have multiple source of income. And yes, trust me, you can. Second is strategic investment. Not just any investment. You have to strategically decide that how much amount of money you should put in what kind of instrument. That is called smart investing. Third is continuous learning and growth. Yes, keep expanding your knowledge with regards to financial instruments, with regards to personal finance, learn wealth building strategies, and be open to new opportunities. And lastly, take a professional expert's advice. Don't try to do a DIY with your future, with your financial standing, and tailor make strategies specifically for your requirement, for your life, and for your financial goals. For more information, stay tuned.